All right, we have one more item here, right?
We do have one more item, a little bit more physics. We've got a little bit of Bernoulli's principle.
They're what?
Bernoulli's principle. It's a flow of air and pressure. And teachers have done this demo with toilet paper and leaf blowers, but we're bumping it up a little notch here. We've got, come on out here.
Bring out Bernoulli. All right, here we go. This is, that is interesting. Are these more leaf blowers?
Yeah, so more
Would you have a Groupon for leaf blowers or something?
So the idea here is that we're going to blow some air over these.
There's one back here, too.
Yeah, that's yours.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna create a low pressure system on above this that's gonna lift up our toilet paper, and then the air should get that toilet paper launching in the air.
Wonder, can we light these on fire?
That could be.
All right, how do we
you wanna
do
get
it?
Dry? Here we go. Do a quick countdown.
Okay.
There's a little foot switch there. Do you see a little foot switch?
Just
That's
step on it?
You're gonna push it forward.
Oh, okay.
In 3, 2, 1.
You've done it again, Science Bob.
Thank you.
Science Bob's website is sciencebob.com. You can find out everything you want about science. You can build one of these to attack your neighbors. We'll be right back with music from the airborne toxic event.